Frequently asked questions. Here are some questions people most frequently ask about email marketing. Is email marketing effective? Yes, email marketing is very effective because it maintains a direct and constant contact with people through their inbox. This can create relationships of trust with users and are more likely to make them buyers. How do I grow my email marketing list? One of the most effective ways is to create an incentive that can be of great value to readers, something that helps them solve a problem. Use subscription forms where they can enter their data to receive the incentive. How often should I send email to my subscribers? As often as possible without saturating the subscribers. This may depend on the type of business and the type of users. The behavior of users can help you learn the best frequency of sending emails. You can also do tests to help you learn how much is too much. What is the best day and time to send my emails? It depends on the behavior of users. Testing and studying your audience's habits is the best way to learn what works best. Should I segment my email lists? Segmenting the list is a great way to divide and personalize messages according to the interests of each subscriber and make contact with them in a more efficient way. Are there any rules to email marketing? Yes, but more than rules, there is a law known as CAN-SPAM, which dictates the following. Include an unsubscribe link in each email. Include the company's physical address or P.O. box. Honor the request to unsubscribe by not sending more emails, and avoid buying contact lists. What metrics should I track? The most important metrics to follow are the open rate, which tells you the number of people who opened your email, and the click-through rate, which means the percentage of people who clicked on a link in your email. With this information, you can learn which campaigns are giving the best results. How do I make sure my emails don't end up in the spam folder? One of the best ways to not end up in the spam folder is by using your opt-in list, sending emails only to those people who have given you permission to do so and complying with the CAN-SPAM law. How do I know if one subject line will perform better than another? The best subject lines are generally short, intriguing, and action-oriented. It is a good practice to do A/B tests to find out which one works better with your audience and then do more of that. How do I write a great call to action? To write a great call to action, it must be precise and simple. You must specify what you want the readers to do. It should be at the top of the email and also at the end, so you can make sure it will be read.